Hello makeup lover and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, my name is Malene. I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain. And for today's two different looks, I pulled out one of the holiday quints from Pat McGrath Labs 2023 holiday collection. If you want to see how I did these two different looks, please hang in there and I will show you. Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? I'm going to show you the palette. I'm just going to see if I can fit everything in here right in front of me. Okay, this is it. The Bronze Ecstasy. I prepped my eye area with the Pat McGrath eyeshadow primer, and under my eye I put on a little bit of loose powder to catch the fallout. And I'm going to start with the Starlit Champagne as a highlighter here under my brow. I'm using the Builder Pro, by the way. Dip my Blender Pro into the taupey shade, and I'm just gonna stamp it on to begin with here. I'm just stamping it on, pressing it on. And after that, I'm gonna go in with some circular motions here, blending it out. It's a very lovely and soft formula. And the color is not too matte, so it's a really lovely color. Dip the tip of my mini booster into the Merlot Mystique, and I am just gonna put it in my crease here, as you can see, to deepen it up a little bit, create the illusion of some depth here. I think I'm gonna go for a fairly classic, non-complicated look with the first eye here. Anyway, I can change many times before this look is done, but let's just see what happens, okay? Dipped into the same color with my flat definer brush. I'm just gonna concentrate the color here in the outer part of my mobile eyelid. Like so. Dipped into the lightest color I used as a highlighter, and I am gonna put that here in the inner corner. In the inner like third, and then blending it out into the middle part here. On my ring finger I have a little bit of the honey nectar. Oh, and on my nail I have something else. I don't know what color that is, but I'm just gonna press that honey nectar, the middle shade here, on the middle of my mobile eyelid. Brushed off the excess powder and put on a little bit of concealer under my eye, and now I'm gonna put on a little bit of the Merlot Mystique with my flat definer brush. I just put on a little bit of mascara, and then I was like, maybe this eye look needs an eyeliner. So I'm going to use a Black Coffee liquid eyeliner. I'm going to mainly focus it here on the outer part. Like so. So this is it. This is the first look with the palette. Fairly neutral, fairly not all out there, and day friendly, I would say. And this is why I'm not going to put on some lashes for this look. I'm now going to go on to the second eye. With the second eye, I'm going to go straight in with the Merlot Mystique on my Blender Pro. I think I'm going to make this like a shiny, smoky eye look. So I'm just going to blend it out and a little bit upwards with circular motions. So even though it is a fairly dark shadow, it doesn't have to be super dark if you put it on like this and blend it out. That's a good thing about Pat McGrath eyeshadow and so many more. And of course also having the right tools and patience. Dipped into the same shade, and I'm using my mini booster. I'm going to place it in the crease here. And blend it into the lighter version of it. It has some kind of burgundy undertone, I feel, but I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I'm really liking this color. It's very beautiful. Same color, different brush, Builder Pro. And now I'm just gonna put it on the whole eyelid here. So I just have like the same color, but in 3 different concentrations, so to speak. For some reason I've forgotten to put on a little bit of highlighter, so I'm going to do that now. This Starlight Champagne here. Now for some Enchanted Bronze on the middle of the eyelid here. And I'm just using my ring finger and I'm just pressing it on like so. Removed the loose powder and put on a little bit of concealer. And now with my flat definer, I am gonna use the Merlot Mystique as an eyeliner for the lower eyelid here, or lash line on the lower eyelid. I'm just gonna smoke it out a little bit. Starlit Champagne for some inner corner highlight. Let's make this a little bit darker. So this is a black liquid eyeliner. Put on some eyeliner on my waterline, the lower and the upper waterline, and put on some mascara. And this is a finished look. I'm now going to go off cam and put on a full face of makeup so you can see what it looks like with a full face of makeup. This is it. These are the 2 different looks with a full face of makeup. I'm just going to put on my glasses so you can see what it looks like with some glasses on. On my lips, I put on some Flash 5 and did an experiment with the eyeshadow. So I also put on the Merlot Mystique, and in the middle, I put on Enchanted Bronze to try and match my lips a little bit more with the eyeshadow Quint. I can say that I like the eyeshadow Quint. I don't love it. I love the color story, however, but I don't feel that the quality is exactly the same as last year's quints, because for some strange reason, when I've been wearing this quint and the other one from this year also, it's like it fades away. And I haven't experienced this with any other Pat McGrath shadows, to be honest, and I'm a little bit baffled about that, actually. I don't know what it is, but yeah, it's been happening for me. And I also tried different primers and concealer, and yeah. But anyway, this is it. 2 fairly classic and simple eye looks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. It will be an honor to have you join. Now I want to thank you so much for taking your time out to watch this video, and I wish you an awesome day, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye. Mwah.